Guys, the Banshee project is finally here. We're gonna take this thing for a test ride and do a walk around. What do we got here? Oh man, is that a Banshee?
That is a Banshee.
Little Banshee action. All right, guys, so Donald sent us a Banshee. We're gonna build a trike, and I'm excited. Well, it looks pretty unmolested. So we're gonna be pulling this engine out. It's going into a dirt bike style chassis, obviously turning it into a trike, and we're actually gonna keep the chassis and start building parts for these bad boys. So be on the lookout. Definitely gonna be doing extended swing arms, all the billet parts, all the fun stuff. Most importantly, that's going into a trike. It's really not in bad shape. Kind of excited about this. Him and I made a deal. Basically it was like, if you guys want to keep the chassis, whatever you're not using for the trike, which is really the whole quad chassis, he said we can apply that towards the bill. So worked up a credit for him. I'm always willing to wheel and deal. You guys know how I am. I like all kinds of different things. Definitely love quads. Yep, this needs to be a round housing for sure. Gas is already on. Curious if this thing even runs. She's dry. Guess we're not starting it today. I think it's like not even 7 a.m. yet. Maybe I'll find some gas for it once they head out. The trailer's always full. Dude, it always blows my mind how full your trailer always is. It's awesome.
This time we got something really cool back there. It's like a very, oh sorry.
No, you're good.
It's a one of a kind Ducati, has carbon fiber.
Oh, no shit, man. That's awesome. The old KTM. He's gonna be excited for that. There's no gas in it, so I might, if we have two-stroke, I'll throw it in, try riding it, just see if it runs. So, yeah, we'll see. Well, let's hope it runs. Should be enough. Think it's gonna run?
Hope so. The guy said it did.
I mean, I'm not gonna go putting a motor in a trike that doesn't run. I think we are rebuilding it though. Either way. Just don't know what we're doing to it. Might be mild, might be wild, who knows. I don't know if I've ever rode a Banshee with stock pipes, honestly. They always had pipes on it. Never had the opportunity to ride a stock Banshee. Kind of funny.
Well, here's your chance.
34 years old, never rode a stock Banshee. I feel like everybody puts pipes on them.
Yeah.
At minimum, they put pipes on them. Like poo-poo. We'll throw some spark plugs in it real quick and try it that again. No bueno.
Ooh.
Yep, wake up at 6 a.m., meet the shipper. Find a Banshee by like just past 7. Not too bad.
Looks fun.
Tires were already shit, so I was like, fuck, let's burn them off. Yeah, so I guess that's a stock Banshee. Had a lot of stock blasters, had a lot of stock every other quad, but again, every single one I ever rode had pipe or mods, so.
Sweet.
Yeah, definitely a good donor motor, man. I think I was like no time on it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Just burn the tires off and let it sit. They work. Sick. That's why Banshees are fun. That right there.
Looks fun. Is it easy to ride?
I mean, yeah, it's just a fun quad, man. If you ever rode a Banshee, you gotta try one. Again, we own the chassis now. This motor's getting rebuilt, so I definitely wouldn't just go beating on somebody's bike like that. But yeah, my tires to burn up. We're gonna do some custom stuff with the chassis. Start making parts, probably find another motor, stuff it in there, do a cool build. If you guys wanna see that, you gotta comment. Yeah.
I know a lot of guys might want like the rear sprocket guards that we make and
Yeah,
stuff.
and honestly, I don't know if we'll make them for this. We are gonna offer a whole rear end though with the round housing because that chain adjuster is awful.
Cool.
Yeah, at the end of the day, man, that motor is going into a trike. I'm super excited. It's here, it's happening. I told you guys it was gonna happen, so here we are, 7 a.m. on Saturday, checking out a project.
Awesome.
And yeah, I'm excited. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. We got a bunch of Banshee products coming. If you like Banshees, you just gotta comment. Let me know what you want to see us building for these. Let me know. Now, for all the kids out there that never drove into a shop near thousands of dollars of equipment and you want to know how to spin around, I'm going to show you guys my tire tracks so you can kind of get an idea how I did that. Back in the day, God, 12, 13 years ago, we had a shop Banshee that we did shit like this on just for fun. Yeah, full slide, come in, almost hit the door and just dump the clutch when your grab bar's about probably here. And just power out. It's all about having fun. If you're not having fun, what's the point? So guys, hope you enjoyed. Just having fun on a Saturday. So stay tuned. This thing's gonna get pulled out. We're gonna start getting into a trike form. We're gonna get a frame and put that motor into a frame and go from there, guys. It's gonna be sick. So I'm pumped. That was a blast. I needed that. You can't replace that kind of riding. I love side-by-sides. It's cool where the markets are going. I love riding trikes, but man, just getting on a quad, it's just so much fun. So maybe we can do some more quad stuff in the future here. But yeah, glad I could post a quad video today, and it's gonna be sick as a trike too. So stay tuned, guys. Banshees are fun. That right there.